The audio system with Google built-in includes an AM/FM radio, USB ports, Bluetooth streaming audio, and if so equipped, Sirius XM radio. Sirius XM radio is included for a period of time from the original sale date of the vehicle. A variety of factors can affect satellite radio reception, including weather, trees, bridges, tunnels, parking garages, tall buildings, and ground-based AM or FM transmitters. To help ensure quality reception, avoid placing cargo in a way that blocks the satellite radio antenna. For more information on Sirius XM radio, go to www.siriusxm.com. Touch this icon on the launch bar, then touch Source to choose an audio source. Use these controls to move through stations or tracks. Touch AM list or FM list to display a list of available stations on that band. Touch a station to select. Touch favorites for a list of stations that you have identified as favorites. To adjust the settings for the audio system, touch Settings, General, Sound and Beeps, Sound, then the audio feature you wish to adjust. If your vehicle is equipped with front seat headrest speakers, select individual audio settings to adjust the settings of specific speakers. When zone control is turned on in individual audio, some audio settings are disabled. Please see your INFINITI InTouch Owner's Manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.